Oh, yeah. There's my Impala. My wife broke my fucking mirror. See it? Put a C onto it. Just playing ball with my dog, and the dog's ball hit it. Broke all the shit inside. That's alright. Well, I mean, it's not really alright, but it's alright. Through the land of scrap vehicles. There's one there. I got white mirrors at home. I got a silver mirror there. None of that's going to do any good. What we need is a mirror from this sloot right here. So, let's see what I need to get this bitch off. Full of bees? No bees? Wow, no bees. Yet, anyway. Maybe they're sleeping in the mirror. Alright, so... Oh, look at that. It's easy as pie. 310 mils. Let's see how far this goes down there. I don't know if there's any juice in this thing. Oh, what? Oh, she dead. Alright. Okay. I don't really want to take the whole panel off, so how far down does that go? It was probably stuck to the door, but... Alright. Cut. Okay, so just with this pair of dingle-dongers, I was able to pull the door skin out a little bit, get in there and pull them out. Obviously, we didn't want to damage anything, so then we got this zips off here. Do it one-handedly. Oh, see, we're on an angle there. There we go. Gentle. There we go. And one more. And so you might be thinking, Jay, why do you have a spare SS with a V8? Well, because it's all rotted out. I bought it real cheap, mostly for parts for mine. But it does have a really good V8 and a really good transmission. It's just not safe to be on the road because it's too rotten. But I do have other cars that never came with V8s that should probably have V8s, and not in a traditional fashion. I just want to stress that. But here we are. Got our mirror, and we got polish. And we got our snap-on polisher. So it's on low speed. Put our polish on there. Normally you clean any bugs or dirt off. So I just go like this, get it all over, and then start off slow. And they're very expensive. There are cheaper versions available. They don't work near as good. Okay, now that we've got the polish done, now we move on to waxing. Beautiful Blacksville waxing. This is just some old Mother's synthetic wax. It works just fine. Just want it to match the rest of the car. Generally you would apply in a circular motion. I can kind of do it. It's just hard when it's not mounted to a vehicle. Last but not least, polymer sealant. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Ooh, yeah. Look at that shine. Nice. The bottom looks really good. Except for that little mark right there, we could polish that out some more, but not a big deal. We're not looking at the bottom of the mirror, so it's all fine and dandy. Alrighty guys, there it is, and we'll, that's nice. We'll throw it on.